Creator in Conversation presents Steve Ditko, Beyond the Myth, a brand new 3-part miniseries exploring the life, legacy and work of one of the most influential comic book creators of all time. Much has been said about Steve Ditko, such as he's a mysterious, reclusive character who was inaccessible, who maintained and held very conservative views. However, this new miniseries will dispel many myths surrounding Steve Ditko, much of which has been based largely upon unverified assumption. In this 3-part miniseries, we will be joined by uniquely qualified individuals to speak towards the work and legacy of Steve Ditko. In episode 1, we will be joined by Dr. ZACK, the author behind Mysterious Travelers, who views Steve Ditko's work through the academic lens. In episode 2, we will be joined by longtime collaborator and friend of Steve Ditko, Jack C. Harris, and explore some of Ditko's influence as a collaborator and creator in comics. And we will conclude with episode 3 with Mark Zen Ditko, the nephew of Steve Ditko and also curator behind the Ditkoverse as well. This is going to be a unique representation of the work and times of Steve Ditko. You can find it and follow us on the Creator in Conversation podcast, the official podcast of TASQ. To find us, follow us on Apple Podcasts, Spotify or YouTube. TASQart.com. Episode 1 drops August the 5th. Each episode will drop every Tuesday thereafter.